Next topic is multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so polynomial can be like a plus b multiplied by c plus d. Okay, so we can have any number of terms in this as well as any number of terms here. So this is called polynomial. So how we will solve this? To solve polynomial, what we will do is we will first of all pick up this one, first term, and this term we will multiply by this whole term. Okay, so we will have a into c plus d. We will bring this sign as it is, this term, and then we will multiply this term by this whole polynomial. So b into c plus d. Okay, so let's understand with an example. So I have an example, say and I have to multiply it by okay, so first of all what I will do is I will pick up this first term and multiply it by this complete polynomial. So it will be operation will come as it is 8y into again 9x plus 4y. Okay, now individually we will solve them. So how we will solve it? First of all, multiply this by this. So we have 5x into 9x plus 5x into 4y. If you are confused as to how I am solving this, I have already created a video on how to multiply a polynomial and a monomial, so you can check that out. Okay, plus this one 8y into 9x plus 8y into 4y. Now we will start multiplying. This one will this one will be so you can check out my earlier videos to have a better understanding of how I solved this, because if I start explaining again all the concept, then this will be a very long video. So please check that out, and if you have any doubts, do let me know. Okay, now we have plus. So now this scenario is adding two polynomials together, right? So addition we have already seen. So we have 45x square plus 20xy plus 72xy plus 32y square. Let's club similar variables together. So this one plus these two are together only, and this is also there, correct? Now we can add them. So we have 45x square, 72 plus 20 will be 92xy plus 32y square. So this is your final answer. Like in addition and multiplication, since we are doing it in the horizontal format, we are solving it. So this method is horizontal method. Let's see one more example. So say I have a term okay, so I have a term 2x minus 3y which I have to multiply by 4x plus 2y. So how am I going to do this? First of all, as we have done earlier, I will multiply this term with this whole polynomial. So it will be 2x into 4x plus 2y. Now this will come as it is. Okay, now what I will do, I will multiply this by this whole polynomial, so it will be 3x into 4x plus 2y. Okay, now we will start again how we did earlier. 2x into 4x, this into this, minus as it is, we will multiply 3y into 4x plus this into this, 3y into 2y. Okay, now let's start solving from here. 8x square plus 4xy minus 12xy plus 6y square. This is what we will get. Okay, you don't have to skip the steps I have, but you don't have to. Okay, and if you are confused, let me know. I will solve it in more details. Now we have got two algebraic expression, and the operation between them is subtraction. So we will use what we were doing in subtraction. So what we will do, 8x square plus 4xy. Now we have to change the sign and add them. This one is positive, so this one, when I will open, it will be 12xy, right? And this one is also positive, this one will become. Now let's solve them. This and this, plus and minus, so it will be minus 6y square. So this is your final answer.